Apple has officially confirmed it. The iPhone 16 series is launching on September 9th, and it's bringing 4 models with it: the iPhone 16, iPhone 16 Plus, iPhone 16 Pro, and the top-tier iPhone 16 Pro Max. Check this out, this is the iPhone 16 Pro Max in the stunning new desert titanium finish. But that's not all. We've got our hands on the latest dummy leaks, revealing the 4 sleek colors for the Pro models. The Pro versions are going for a more sophisticated look this year, while the non-Pro models are keeping it fun with bolder colors. And speaking of improvements, the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max are stepping up their game with faster charging, up to 40W wired and 20W MagSafe wireless charging. Bigger displays are also in the mix. The iPhone 16 Pro is set to sport a 6.3-inch screen, a significant upgrade from the 6.1-inch on the iPhone 15 Pro. And let's talk cameras. The iPhone 16 Pro is expected to come with a new 48MP ultrawide lens and a 12MP telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom. Plus, there's that rumored action button on the side, a mechanical button with a capacitive surface that mimics a camera's soft shutter. Under the hood, the iPhone 16 series will feature the next Gen 18 chip, built on a 3nm process and run on iOS 18. And don't forget, some of the cutting-edge AI features might be exclusive to these models. Even the MagSafe magnets are getting a refresh, slimmer, more efficient, and ready for the next wave of accessories. Excited to see what Apple's bringing to the table. If you enjoyed this sneak peek, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one.